Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use promo codes on Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in agoda.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Agoda website where you can log into your account if you haven't already by clicking on the sign in button. Now once you are logged in, you can use your promo codes from two different ways. You can either click on coupons and deals, and from there you will automatically be able to get various coupons and then use them to book any of Agoda services. Simply click on the get coupon button and then this will add your coupon to any of your booking. You can also browse through various offers that already add promo codes within their booking section. You can also find the coupon code within these offerings. Simply click on it to view details, and then if you wish to book it, you can click on view this deal. Now from here you can see that the coupon code has already been applied. If you already have another promo code, then you can click on the book now option or the add to cart option and you will be allowed to enter your promo code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add promo codes and coupon deals on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.